Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Chris Rodriguez, and I'm the founder and owner of Sun City Lawn Care here in El Paso, Texas. And the video that I'm making today is primarily geared towards all the homeowners in here in El Paso. Okay, what we do is we provide a world-class lawn care service, and we're looking to help homeowners that have problems with their lawns. Okay, either they're having some deficiency with their lawn care, or their current service provider is nowhere to be found after a set amount of phone calls. We answer our phone calls. We're here to help you guys. We're also lawn care homeowners as well. Okay, and this video is going to be one of many. And if you guys look at the YouTube channel that I have under Sun City Lawn Care, you're going to find a lot of educational type videos where we're teaching homeowners how exactly to take care and maintain their lawns. Now, as you guys can see, this particular lawn, and this is actually my own lawn, is brown. It's very brown. And the reason why it's brown is because, well, Bermuda grass is dormant right now. And it's dormant because of certain soil temperatures throughout the winter. The grass just goes to sleep. That's all that's happening. However, some will stay green, okay? Now, I can get into the reason why, but I'm not going to. I'm only here to give you guys a quick video on some things that you could be doing here in the very near future that's going to help you have a successful lawn season for 2020. Now, as soil temperatures increase, and as you guys know, winter in El Paso, who knows? Summertime, who knows? It's like an up and down kind of thing. The thing that's most important when it comes to lawn care is soil temperatures, okay? My entire lawn care program and season is completely derived around soil temperatures. And when we have increased soil temperatures as the season progresses, when we go from winter to spring to summer, obviously the ambient air temperatures increase, thus the soil temperatures increase. So what's happening right now in El Paso with lawns, and then if you don't have a lawn, maybe you've got rocks, or you've got the artificial turf, and maybe around some of the edges, you're going to start to see some weeds develop. And the reason why that's happening is because, again, soil temperatures are increasing. There's a couple things that you guys should be doing. One of them is taking care of the weeds now, before soil temperatures reach 55 degrees, okay? Once that happens, okay, you're going to start to see a very vast amount of winter annuals emerge, okay? Now, the way that you actually protect your lawn from winter annuals emerging early spring is by treating it with a selective herbicide or a pre-emergent herbicide, okay, that will take care of the lawn. What we do is we go ahead and we do a blanket application of pre-emergent to the lawn, and then what it does is it creates a vapor barrier on top of the soil surface. That vapor barrier is what stops the weed seedlings from actually emerging or germinating, okay? It breaks it down at the molecular level of the seed from ever emerging, so that protects the lawn. That product typically has a 5-month residual, so you do the application, and this is the very important part, is you have to take care of that application before soil temperatures get to 55 degrees. Traditionally, 5-year stats here in El Paso, that occurs around the second week in February. So we're mid-January. You've got about 4 weeks, guys, 4 weeks to get this product into your lawns. That way you're starting to protect it from winter annuals growing or emerging come springtime, once things start to go full bloom, okay? That application is something that a lawn care professional can provide you. You can purchase the product online if you're the DIY kind of homeowner. Or in the meantime, say you don't want to go to the extent of actually purchasing that product. There are solutions, okay? You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's, your local big box store, and purchase products there that are very affordable as well to take care of some of the problematic weeds that we experience from winter going into early spring, okay? The most important part that I want to teach you guys today is to understand that with increasing soil temperatures, you're going to start to experience weeds. If you want to solve that problem, now is the time to take some action, okay? And Google pre-emergent. Check out some of our YouTube videos on pre-emergent applications. Get the product, apply it to the lawn before soil temperatures reach 55 degrees, okay, guys? And if you don't want to go that route, again, just visit Home Depot or Lowe's. Get yourself some weed control, okay? There's one primary weed control that I will recommend for a typical homeowner that you guys can purchase from a big box store, and it is the Bio Advanced weed and a weed killer that's safe for lawns. I don't have a bottle of it with me right now, but it is going to take care of a lot of your winter annuals. You can even apply the product during the summertime or spring. There are temperatures. Typically, you want to wait till you've got some ambient air temperatures between 60 and 90 degrees. Okay, once you get above the 90s, midday summertime, you're not really going to be wanting to apply any herbicides. But when it's cold or we're experiencing really freezing type temperatures, anything below 40, you really don't want to apply anything as well. But once the ambient air temperatures like they are now today, I think it was 62, 63 degrees, you're safe to go ahead and do some herbicide applications. The important part is to remember, now is the time to actually take some action, control the weeds in your surrounding areas, and that way they don't get too abundant and out of control, and that way the city of El Paso doesn't come knocking on your door and start giving you guys citations. That's the last thing you want, right? So as you can see, this particular lawn, I've had the property for 4 years now, and I've been taking care of it and treating it. You don't see any weeds at all, right? Well, that's because I'm on a pre and post-emergent application cycle, which occurs 3 times throughout the lawn season, and the growing season and off season. But if you guys have any questions, again, my name's Chris Rod. You can reach me at suncitylawncare.com. You can check out the YouTube channel .com/Sun City Lawn Care as well. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. My phone number is on all my pages. That is my direct line of communication when I'm out in the field and when I'm back at the office. Take it easy, guys. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.